Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best woodworking chisel sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt 4-piece wood chisel set. If you're a woodworking enthusiast looking for a reliable chisel set, the DeWalt 4-piece wood chisel set, DWHT16063, might just be the perfect fit for you. Crafted from durable chrome carbon steel, these chisels boast hardened, tempered blades for long-lasting sharpness. The lacquered finish guarantees corrosion protection, while the beveled edges offer precision in your work. You'll adore the ergonomic bi-material handles that provide comfort and safety during use. With a hardened strike cap, durability is a given. Highly rated by users, these chisels excel in resizing, fitting, and molding tasks, making them a smart choice for both beginners and experts. Moving on at number 4, we have the Irwin Marples Chisel Set for Woodworking. The Irwin Marples Chisel Set for Woodworking, 6-piece, M444SB6N, is an excellent choice for hobbyist woodworkers and beginners looking for a reliable set of tools without breaking the bank. This set includes 6 chisels from 1/4 to 1-inch sizes, with high-carbon steel blades for lasting sharpness. You'll appreciate the slim, contoured handles designed for comfort and precision, whether using a wooden mallet or your palm. While initial sharpening is needed, they perform well with proper honing. With a full lifetime guarantee and a wooden case, these chisels offer great value for entry-level woodworking projects. At number 3, we have the 4-piece professional wood chisel set. For both professionals and beginners looking to tackle various crafting projects, the 4-piece professional wood chisel set is an ideal choice. It includes chisels sized at 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 inch, perfect for carving wood, soft plastic, and more. Crafted from alloy chromium vanadium steel, these blades resist dulling, though they require frequent sharpening. Their European-style hardwood ash handles prevent rolling and offer comfort. Rated 4.6 stars, users appreciate the value for money, despite some quality control issues. With a lifetime guarantee and hassle-free exchanges via Amazon, you're covered for any concerns that might arise. At number 2, we have the Rexbetty 10-piece CS Premium Wood Chisel Set. Looking to plunge into woodworking without breaking the bank? The Rexbetty 10-piece CS Premium Wood Chisel Set offers an affordable entry point. With 6 chisels ranging from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inches, you'll tackle various projects with ease. Made from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these chisels promise durability and edge retention. The set includes a honing guide and sharpening stone, though you might find the stone a bit coarse. Despite occasional quality control issues, users appreciate the comfortable handles and organized storage case. Whether you're a beginner or casual woodworker, this set delivers decent quality at a reasonable price. And finally, at number 1, we have the Grebstk Wood Chisel Set for Woodworking. Crafted for the budget-conscious woodworker, the Grebstk Wood Chisel Set combines affordability with function. This 4-piece set includes 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch chisels made from durable chrome vanadium steel. The 25 degrees bevel edge lets you tackle softwoods, hardwoods, and laminated woods effortlessly. You'll appreciate the comfortable beach handles, designed for mallet use, and the convenience of a storage bag and edge guards. While they might need initial sharpening, they hold an edge well for casual tasks. At just $16, they're ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone wanting a reliable, versatile chisel set without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.